Liverpool was the first city where Ndigbo started Igbo Union in Europe. Igbo Association Liverpool is inviting us all to the New Yam Festival, Iriji, to continue what our fathers started in 1935 in Liverpool. On Saturday the 31st of August 2013, at the Jubilee Sports Bank, Jubilee Drive, Liverpool, L7 8ST, time 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. We will be featuring a great variety of music, dance and other forms of entertainment to promote our great heritage. Please do not fail to come. For more information, please contact the President, Vice President, and the executives on these numbers. We will be proud to welcome you all. This advert was sponsored by Capricorn Services Company Limited. Daalunu.